Ladies and gentlemen, well done. And today I want to show you the quickest way of how you can locate the file that you created in QuickBooks, and also how you can transfer it to any device. You see, in the process of setting up the company, if you check here on the top menu bar, there is always a file name which you created while you were creating the company. So this is our file name, and it is usually hidden somewhere in your folders on the device that you're using. It can be a desktop computer, it can be a personal laptop, it can be a tab. So whatever device that you're using, then this company file is hidden somewhere. Now, the beauty with QuickBooks is that this information which you enter there, these figures that you assign against all the accounts, they are automatically saved somewhere. So you don't need to worry about you're going to lose your data. No. The moment you enter information, it is configured in the system, and it has an auto backup feature that is inbuilt within the software that you cannot lose your data at any point. So I'm going to show you how you can locate this file. Then you transfer it using whether a flash diskette or whether a compact diskette, a CD. Then you can open it from any other device that has QuickBooks. So that is what I'm going to show you. So stay with me. Now, I'm going to use the on-board, on-screen keyboard to illustrate. You just open your QuickBooks the way you see it, and you simply press function 2. Okay, function 2. I'm just using this to display, but for me I'm going to use the physical keyboard, so you can as well use the physical keyboard. So you press function 2, then this is F2. This window opens, which has product information. So depending on the type of keyboard that you have, some are different. Some have FN2. Some have want you to press shift then where F is. Some directly you can press F2. So I've pressed function 2, and this window has opened. It has product information, but my interest is the file information. They are showing me the location. Now the location here, you see, most of your devices that you have, it has folders, and usually the storage is partitioned. Now ours is location C. So let me show you. If I try to open my folders here and say, if you don't know how to, if you don't see a window here on the task bar, if you don't see the window for folders, you can always use Windows E. I can also demonstrate that using the on-screen keyboard rather. If you press this Windows E, it can always take you to the folders. So if you check here in our folders, there is local disk C and also new volume F. So they are showing me that our file ATA Secondary School Academy Secondary School is in local disk C. So you go to folder users, to public, to documents, to Intuit, to QuickBooks, to company files. Then it will lead you to ATA Academy School. So what now, your job is very simple. Since you have located where it is, you come and copy this, what we call the file path or the file trail. So you copy only here from C up to files. You ignore the name of the file, the name of the school or the company that you had entered. So you copy this, then you come back here to your folders window. So you come here at the top where you see this PC. So where there is this PC, you paste the other file location. So it is going to take you, it's going to bring something this, then you press enter on your keyboard. Press enter. That's what I've placed. So when I press enter, there are all these files that I've been working on, but my interest is ATA Academy Secondary School. So it's this. I copy it. Okay. So when I copy it, I can paste it anywhere I want. If I have my flash diskette inserted in my device, I can send it there. So you only copy the one. You see, there are so many icons. There is this one, which is like white, and there is this, which is like a fake file. So you only copy the one which has the color of army green. It is the one that is always working. So, and you should ensure that at the end it is QBW. Okay. So you copy this. It's what I want. Then you can paste it anywhere. So let me try and see if I can paste it on if I can paste it maybe on my desktop and see. But then before pasting it, I need to close this file. Recommends backing up. We will no, not now. So I've closed my file. Give it time. Say it has closed. Then let me paste the other file. Now this is our file. Okay. So now this file, if I have it on a flash, I can open it from any other device for as long as that device has QuickBooks Desktop offline version. So with that, you really don't have to suffer. If I try to open, you see QuickBooks is going to take me back to my QuickBooks, the software where to do my workings. So you can always do this if you are into business, or if you have practiced from your school laboratory and you want to continue with a practice at your office or at your home. You can always transfer from the computer of the lab, then you go with it home or in your workplaces, so that you enhance your efficiency and productivity. So as you can see, it has opened, our file has opened, and it is ATA Academy Solutions. It is loading. So I want to thank you so much for you have followed us on this journey, and we want to create more content. We shall continue to answer your queries. If you really love what we are doing, we still encourage you that you subscribe to our channel, and please recommend our content to people that really need it. Thank you so much. Catch you in the next. If you need help in assignments, any kind of assignments or research, for as long as it is in line with business courses, accounting, finance, then we can be of help to you. Thank you so much. Catch you next.